Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use XML files in Alight Motion iPhone. Open the Files app, locate the XML file, tap Share, and choose Alight Motion to import the composition immediately. Once imported, check layer names and assets, then relink missing media via the Project Media tab. Adjust duration and keyframes to match your footage. Export a test MP4 to confirm timing before final render and publish. Start by matching project settings, frame rate, resolution, and aspect ratio to your footage before importing XML. Gather all linked media into one folder and update any relative paths or file names that could break links. If XML uses custom fonts or plugins, install them on your iPhone or replace with native alternatives. Use non-destructive edits and duplicates to preserve originals, and preview the timeline thoroughly to catch transitions and effects that need tweaking. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps support the channel and future guides. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling fresh during editing breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and use them to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When an XML import fails, check the error log, clear cache, and re-export from your desktop editor with simplified asset paths. Replace unsupported effects with native Alight Motion effects, or bake them into video clips before importing. For performance issues, lower preview resolution, disable motion blur, and purge project cache periodically. Always test export settings with a short clip, verify audio sync and color grading, then save presets to streamline future imports and workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.